Hey, it's Andre. Just out flying and had a battery and a BushMule, so I thought I'd just use up that pack. So simply gonna be just flying and enjoying this airplane. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and that maiden flight. So this is just I don't even know if I'll talk much, but I'm just going to enjoy flying the BushMule out here in the snow. It is a beautiful, absolutely stunning, gorgeous day, and I've had multiple flights, so yeah, let's go flying. I wonder if I should demonstrate, while we've got this thing on the ground, the reverse thrust and the differential thrust, just for kicks before we take off. All right. Okay, so... all right, now. Differential thrust 100%. All right. Oh no, I'm stuck. Thrust on. Differential thrust off. Oh, now I'm really stuck. Reverse thrust on. Ooh, careful, don't want to spin off a prop. Anyhow, that's really quickly what it is. The differential thrust is actually super on the water. In the snow and with wheels, obviously, it's going to be popping up and down and just making a bunch of ruts in the ground. But I thought I'd show that off really quickly. So let's reposition this. I'm trying to avoid putting any kind of ruts into the snow that I need to work with. Back you up over to here really quickly. Check that prop. Check that prop, those spinners, because they got contact. Okay, here we go. BushMule. Turn that off before we try and take off. Gonna try and avoid all these ruts that people have made. Okay. Medium rates. Let's have a little bit of fun. I have my glasses on. That's okay. Look at that plane. Like I said in the maiden flight, it's so nice. I'm just flying on medium rates. 4S 3300, just jacked to the front of the right in line with that forward gear bracing and everything, and just love the lights, love her on skis. The wind's actually picked up a tiny bit too, so see if I can get it in front of that camera. I'm gonna have to use my power because of the wind. I gotta watch that. It was a lot less windy on the maiden flight, but it was definitely a lot colder. So the wind is to my back, so it's a bit of a headwind. And I gotta come in and not touch those trees. And then I gotta avoid all those ruts. Oh, I'm doing this without the flaps, just cause I can. And you can see it, she points up right away and just takes off and wants to go flying. I love this plane. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get her to slow in. Touch and goes in the snow. Gotta watch those trees. The wind is kind of pulling me that way, so I can feel it in the wind. But I got lots of power to correct and compensate with. Oh, watch that tree line.
Flaps half. 2 minutes.
Don't really need the flaps, so I want to try them. Right between the trees, but coming right at me, so I'm going to abort that one. Let go by. Oh, look at how slow she can go. I just gotta watch it in the wind. I don't want to lose too much authority. All right.
Flaps 4 minutes.
Getting interesting here. Let's see what I can do. Oh, like I said, there's something majestic about a big twin cargo plane just crabbing in so slow. Oh, I love this thing. And that was with full flaps. Flaps up and off we go. Oh my God, I gotta do that again. Okay. See if I can just get it right down. Flaps are full. Let her turn into the wind, settle into her pocket, thread the needle through those trees, and then just milk the power off. Avoid those ski ruts. Oh, that is beautiful.
30 seconds. 5 minutes. 4.
One more.
20, 19, 18, 17, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7.
Woo!
Throttle hold. Flaps up.
Hey, it's Andre, and this is the Avios BushMule V2. I've had such a fantastic weekend flying the Avios BushMule out here in February. You won't hear me say that very much, but it is so nice. Having so much fun, just soaking up all the sunshine and the snow, and really enjoyed this plane on the skis. It's just such a great winter plane. I do look forward to flying it in the summer, I'll be honest. But hey, hope you enjoyed the flight. Check it out on HobbyKing.com. Thanks for watching.